Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous class what we saw? We saw the topic time. Okay, in time what we saw? We saw days of the week, month of the year and seasons. Okay, days of the week there are 7 days in the week. Month of the year means there are 12 months in a year. Okay, then seasons. What are the seasons? There are 3 seasons. Okay, what are the 3 seasons? Summer, winter and rainy. Okay, these are the 3 seasons. Okay, I hope all are clear about the time topic. Okay, next we are moving on to the next lesson. Okay, what is the next lesson? See the next lesson, information processing. What is the next lesson? Sixth lesson what? Information processing. Okay, sixth lesson is information processing. Okay, information means you are telling or collecting some points or some news about some object or some persons. These are called information processing means you have to collect the information in some ways. Okay, some ways. These the ways are the called processing. Okay, information processing means you have to collect some news or some points about some objects or some persons is called information processing. For example, someone asked your address, your home address. You are telling your address like your door number, your village, your street and your district. These are the information about your address. Okay, here the information is about what? Address. Okay, you have to tell your address. Okay, these are the called information. Okay, you have to tell the address. Then you are telling the door number, your father name, your village name, your district. Okay, these are the information. Okay, these are the information about address. Okay, these are called information. Okay, I hope all are clear about information. Next you see the keywords: systematic list, pair and way. SYSTEMATIC, systematic list. LIST, list. Okay, pair, PAIR, pair. Way, WAY, way. Systematic list means you are gathering some news about something, means you are telling, or your process is like some one by one method. Okay, your process like some one by one method. These are the called systematic list. If you are having the address means first you tell your father name and door number and your village name and your street name and your village name and your district. You are telling one by one. These are called systematic. Okay, systematic list. Okay, next one, pair. Pair, PAIR, pair. Pair means two. Okay, pair means two. Okay, two things are in same place called pair. Okay, if two balls are here in a basket, the two balls are called pair. Okay, if you have two friends, the two friends are very close means the two friends are called pair. Okay, pair means two objects are. Pair means what? Two. Okay, next, way. WAY, way. Way means, the way means in Tamil we say vali. Okay, way means what? Vali. Okay, you are having some way to collect the information. Okay, that is called way. Okay, systematic list, pair and way. Okay, see next. There are two cups in a picture. See the picture, there are two cups in a picture. I already told two. Two means what? Pair. Okay, pair means two. Okay, this is an example for pair. Okay, this is an example for pair. Okay, see the next one. Let us learn the number of ways dressing oneself with two shirts and two shorts. See this, there are two shirts and two shorts. Two shirts and two shorts. The question will be asked like, let us learn the number of ways. Let us learn the number of ways of dressing oneself with the two shirts and two shorts. Okay, I already told pair means two. You have one shirt and one shirt. Okay, these are called pair. Okay, you have to make a pair with these four items. Okay, these four items with how many ways? You have to find how many ways. See, one green shirt, one yellow shirt, one red shirt and one blue shirt. Okay, you have to match with the pair and you have to make how many ways this one going to keep. Okay, see the picture, there are one green shirt and one yellow shirt, one red shirt and one blue shirt. See the way one, one green shirt and one blue shirt. See the way to one yellow shirt and blue shirt and green shirt and red shirt and yellow shirt and red shirt. These are the four ways of matching these four items. Okay, one shelf with two shirts and two shirts. You have to make one shelf means you are wearing dress means you have to put one shirt and one shirt. Okay, this this the meaning of one shelf. Okay, this the meaning of one shelf. You have to put one. If one person means you have to put one shirt and one shirt. Okay, you have to make this four with oneself. Oneself means you have to make for one person. Okay, you have to make for one person in how many ways? You have to first put green shirt and blue shirt, that is the first way. Second way is and yellow shirt and blue shirt. Third way is green shirt and red shirt, and fourth way is yellow shirt and red shirt. These are called way. Okay, how many ways? Four ways. You have to make four ways in these four items. Okay, these are called way. Okay, I hope all are clear about that. There are four ways to wear the dress. You have four ways to wear this dress. Okay, see the next one. Next topic is selection. Selection of two numbers. Selection of two numbers. See the next topic. Selection. SELECTION. Selection means தேர்ந்தெடுத்தல். Okay, selection means தேர்ந்தெடுத்தல். Selection of two numbers. Here you are going to see selection of two numbers. Okay, selection means I already told what is in Tamil. தேர்ந்தெடுத்தல். For example, you have 3 chocolates. If asked you to pick your favorite, if asked to pick your favorite means you have pick your favorite chocolate. If asked you have to choose 2 chocolate means you have to choose 2 chocolates, and you have to take 3 chocolate means you have to take the 3 chocolates. Okay, if selection is belongs to the question. Okay, it is very must selection is belong to the question. Okay, see the learning something. Okay, let us see the possible ways of keeping 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. See the picture. There are 4 custard apples. You have to keep the 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. There are 2 baskets and 4 custard apples. You have to keep the 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. You have to find how many ways are there in this type of question. Okay, you have to select the ways. Okay, see one way is given. There are 2 baskets and 2 baskets have 2 custard apples. Each basket have 2 custard apples. This is the first way. Okay, this is only this is one way. Okay, this is one of the way. You have to find the another way. See the table, number of fruits, number of ways, given baskets. Okay, see the first way. The first way is 0 4. Okay, the first way is 0 4. In first basket you have empty. Okay, in first basket you have empty. See the second basket. In second basket you have to keep 4 custard apples in one basket, and one basket is empty. Okay, this is the first way. See the second way, 1 3. You have to put 1 in first basket and 3 in second basket. See the word 3. You have to put 2 2. We already see this way 3. Okay, see the picture. Way 3. 3 is given in the picture. 2 2 are custard apples. See the way 4. 3 1. You have to put 3 in first basket and 1 in second basket. Way 5. You have to put 4 custard apples in one basket and second basket is empty. These are the 5 ways of put the 4 custard apples in 2 baskets. Okay, so selection is belongs to the question. The question type is very must in the selection. Okay, you have to write the answers in what the question will be asked. Okay, you have to write the answer in question type. Okay, you have to write the answer in question type. Okay, see the homework. Next I will give the homework for you. Today homework is, see the picture. You have to write the possible ways of pick 10 roses. Pick 10 roses. Okay, you have to find the possible ways of keeping 10 roses. Okay, see the question. There are 2 parts and one with 10 red roses and another with 5 yellow roses. See the first one. You have see the 2 parts. First part is filled with red roses. Second part is filled with yellow roses. See the question. There are 2 parts. One with 10 red roses. Red roses is 10 and another with 5 yellow roses in the garden. List down all the possible ways of choosing 10 flowers from the pots. You have to choose 10 flowers. In these two baskets, you have to choose the 10 flowers. Okay, first pot have 10 flowers and second pot has 5 flowers. Totally 15 flowers are given. You have to choose 10 red flowers and given 10 red flowers and 5 yellow flowers. Totally 15 roses. You have to choose 10 roses in various colors in these two colors. Okay, you have to choose 10 roses in these two colors. Okay, see the first one. The one way is given. Okay, ways flower pot 1, flower pot 2 total. Way 1, here they are choosing 10 flowers in red and no flowers in yellow. They are choosing 10 flowers in red only. This is the first way. You have to write the another way. Way 2, way 3, way 4, way 5 and way 6. You have to write another 6 ways to choose 10 flowers in these two pots. Okay, this is very easy for you. I hope all are write the correct answer. Okay, the homework is very easy for you. This is the information processing topic. Okay, this is the information processing topic. Okay, I already teach the lesson. You have to write the answers correctly. Okay, you have to write the answer homework correctly. Okay, thank you.